Welcome to LuvLiNes.
Flash Express. Ayan, Flash Express. Buksan na yan. Mahaba-haba. Ay, naku, mahaba-haba. Ayan na. Oops, may panglagay ka na sana sa ano. Kailangan kong gupitin just a moment. Gupitin. Ito yung ayan, gunting na nasa showcase ko din. And ayan, okay. So, ito yung tong. Bukasin. ASMR daw kasi pagtunog nito. Ayan. Ito ang wish ko lang. Teka lang. Hold on. Kuha ko ng pangsukat. Continue. Ito yung tong. This should be 14 inches. O bakit kulang? Ay, hindi. Yan. 14 inches nga siya. 14 inches. Ayan. 14 inches ang haba niya. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. 54 pesos lang ito. 0.500 kg. 0.5 kilogram na lang to. Ayan. Meron dito sa aking shop. Okay. And itong gunting, meron din dito sa aking shop. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. God bless. And forget God loves you. Your God's beautiful creation. And I'll see you soon. Subscribe. If you're not just subscribed to LuvLiNes, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to join, hit the join button. That's all. Shout out. LuvLiNes, Galaxy, Super Love Stars, Moon Families, No Family, the Abs Family. Thank you again. God bless you all. Mamwa. See you in the next. Ito na nga, malapit. Oops. At may tali. Ito yung paboritong tali ni nanay. Golden pa naman ang tali. Ayan o. Talk to my hands.
Anong gusto mo?
Anong gusto mo? Sipitin ang gunting. Sinipit ang gunting. Ayan, gunting. Meron akong 79 yan. May 100 at merong oh no. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is LuvLiNes. Have a good day and God bless.